guys, today I'm going to be doing a little YouTube video on these toys called fidget spinners. They're pretty cool and I like them basically. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing. So I'll get mine. Mine's just a casual blue one. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you some fidget spinner tricks. So number one, I think I'll be showing you 5. Number one is that you can spin it really fast and go. It sounds really cool. You can spin it slowly. Let's get it spinning really fast. Trick number 2 is balancing it on your thumb. It's probably the easiest trick of them all, and basically everybody can do it. Not question. Trick number 3 is if you spin it really fast, just like this, and just watch basically. Just watch it spin. Ooh, spinny thing. You can also, I'll put this with this trick, wiggle your fingers like that, so like rub them together while it's spinning, it'll make it do that. Trick number 4 is this. It's quite a hard one, this. You're bouncing it on your finger. So I like that one. Trick number 5 is putting it between your hands. Going like that with it. Pretty cool. So guys, next 5 tricks. So guys, we are back. This is the trick that I'm going to be doing. It's so basically, hello. If you spin it on the pen, obviously, put it there. Then, if it doesn't fall off the table, like it just did there, it should do a little dance. Let's try it again. Let's try attempt number 2. Got it all spinned up? Let's see. Do a little dance. Yes. Yes. Don't come off the table. Then if it doesn't hit anything, should stabilize. Come on. Again. Third try, here we go. Dancing, don't come off the table. Don't hit anything. It's gonna hit the wall. It's gonna hit the wall. At least put it through the hole. 4th time, let me just get it spinned up. Spinning. Don't. I'm going to count that as stabilising, lying against the wall. So guys, we did it. The trick actually worked. Let me just take the spin it off the thing, the pen. No more fidget spinner. Now time for the last trick. This trick I have never done before. It's the simple hand swap. They say it's simple, but it's not really. So you need to throw it from this hand to this hand without it stopping. Which is rather hard. We try this again. Three, two, one. Oh guys, oh we did it! We did it! I obviously did that. Fidget spinners. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you really enjoyed. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Hopefully in this video we will get to 5 likes. And please subscribe if you're new to my channel and you like it. Leave a comment and I'll hopefully reply if I can. And yeah, bye bye.